Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm the director of Terriberri Apparels Private Limited. My name is Saurav Somani. We deals in a kidswear. From last 3 years, we are doing manufacturing of the kidswear, kids baba suits in the various range. We do exports also. We have now at present we are in West Bengal Association Fair. From last 3 years, we are getting very good response in these exhibitions. We are connecting India, and right now we are trying to approach Dubai, Bangladesh, North America, and Japan. We have done multiple exhibitions throughout worldwide, India also, Mumbai, and we are getting very good response. Our pricing starts from 200 rupees to 450 rupees. We are trying to reach international platforms through EPCH and through multiple exhibitions throughout the world. The West Bengal is always organizing a very good exhibition in Kolkata. The members are very supportive, and the buyers, there are lots of buyers. We are connecting lots of buyers from India.